I love fish tacos, and fish tacos are all about the condiments. Of course, you got to start out with some good fish, and this is the Caribbean lime halibut that we made in the other video, but I also showed you start to finish how to take any white fish. Ward, you're not a dog.
Oh, okay.
How to take any white fish and do it start to finish, okay? Excellent. Now what happens is I'm going to put some vegetables together. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, Ward. What I have in this bowl is
That's okay.
romaine lettuce and cabbage and red onion and carrot. And it makes a really colorful little salad. And I'm just going to dress that with some olive oil. Here we go. And a little more lime juice. Going to start stirring that up then. And I'll put a little salt and pepper in there. It's really simple. It's not a lot of dressing on there because you have so many other condiments that go into this. I'm just kind of glistening up these vegetables. That would be a good way to put it. Yeah, just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Great. Great. Okay, then you want kind of a white sauce to put on fish tacos. And the way that I make that is to start with either mayonnaise, or in this case I'm using a whole milk plain yogurt, which works really well too. And what goes into here is some cilantro and some garlic, yes, and a little cumin. And again, some lime juice. It takes like 3 whole limes to do this whole recipe. Okay, so that makes a great little sauce. And sometimes if I'm using mayonnaise, I need to add a little bit of water to thin that out so that it pours over the taco really well. But this looks great, no problems here. And then I have, regular tomato salsa. I can cut up some fresh avocado. I've got shredded cheese, and I've got the mango salsa too. I just love to have all these things out there ready to go. So here's my taco shell, and I just heat it in the skillet with a little bit of butter. And then I'm going to put some of this beautiful fish in here. Can kind of break that up. And I'm going to put some of my vegetables in there. And maybe a little of my cheese. Yes. And then some of this sauce. Here we go. Ooh. You know, whatever else you want to put in there is great. You're going to have to talk to him.
I'm just saying.
I know.
Just saying.
We're going to have an intervention.
Now.
Ward?